A dolphin is an aquatic mammal within the infraorder Cetacea. Dolphin species belong to the families Delphinidae, the oceanic dolphins. Platanistidae, the Indian river dolphins. Inuidae, the New World river dolphins. Pontoporiidae, the brackish dolphins, and the extinct Lipodidae, Beiji or Chinese river dolphin. There are 40 extant species named as dolphins. Dolphins range in size from the 1.7 meter long, 5 feet 7 in, and 50 kilogram, 110 pound. Maui's dolphin to the 9.5 meters, 31 feet 2 in, and 10 ton, 11 short ton. Orca. Several species of dolphins exhibit sexual dimorphism, in that the males are larger than females. They have streamlined bodies and 2 limbs that are modified into flippers. Though not quite as flexible as seals, some dolphins can briefly travel at speeds of 29 kilometers, 18 miles per hour or leap about 30 feet, 9.1 meters. Dolphins use their conical teeth to capture fast-moving prey. They have well-developed hearing which is adapted for both air and water. It is so well developed that some can survive even if they are blind. Some species are well adapted for diving to great depths. They have a layer of fat, or blubber, under the skin to keep warm in the cold water. Dolphins are widespread. Most species prefer the warm waters of the tropic zones, but some, like the right whale dolphin, prefer colder climates. Dolphins feed largely on fish and squid, but a few, like the orca, feed on large mammals such as seals. Male dolphins typically mate with multiple females every year, but females only mate every 2 to 3 years. Calves are typically born in the spring and summer months and females bear all the responsibility for raising them. Mothers of some species fast and nurse their young for a relatively long period of time. Dolphins produce a variety of vocalizations, usually in the form of clicks and whistles. Dolphins are sometimes hunted in places such as Japan, in an activity known as dolphin drive hunting. Besides drive hunting, they also face threats from bycatch, habitat loss, and marine pollution. Dolphins have been depicted in various cultures worldwide. Dolphins occasionally feature in literature and film, as in the film series Free Willy. Dolphins are sometimes kept in captivity and trained to perform tricks. The most common dolphin species in captivity is the bottlenose dolphin, while there are around 60 orcas in captivity. Dolphins have long played a role in human culture. Dolphins are sometimes used as symbols, for instance in heraldry. In Greek myths, dolphins were seen invariably as helpers of humankind. Dolphins also seem to have been important to the Minoans, judging by artistic evidence from the ruined palace at Knossos. During the 2009 excavations of a major Mycenaean city at Iklana, a striking fragment of a wall paintings came to light, depicting a ship with 3 human figures and dolphins. Dolphins are common in Greek mythology, and many coins from ancient Greece have been found which feature a man, a boy or a deity riding on the back of a dolphin. The ancient Greeks welcomed dolphins. Spotting dolphins riding in a ship's wake was considered a good omen. In both ancient and later art, Cupid is often shown riding a dolphin. A dolphin rescued the poet Arion from drowning and carried him safe to land, at Cape Matapon, a promontory forming the southernmost point of the Peloponnesus. There was a temple to Poseidon and a statue of Arion riding the dolphin. The Greeks reimagined the Phoenician god Melkart as Melicertes, and made him the son of Athamas and Ino. He drowned but was transfigured as the marine deity Polymon, while his mother became Leucothea. Cf. Ino. At Corinth, he was so closely connected with the cult of Poseidon that the Isthmian Games, originally instituted in Poseidon's honor, came to be looked upon as the funeral games of Melicertes. Phalanthus was another legendary character brought safely to shore, in Italy, on the back of a dolphin, according to Pausanias. Dionysus was once captured by Etruscan pirates who mistook him for a wealthy prince they could ransom. After the ship set sail, Dionysus invoked his divine powers, causing vines to overgrow the ship where the mast and sails had been. He turned the oars into serpents, so terrifying the sailors that they jumped overboard, but Dionysus took pity on them and transformed them into dolphins so that they would spend their lives providing help for those in need. Dolphins were also the messengers of Poseidon and sometimes did errands for him as well. Dolphins were sacred to both Aphrodite and Apollo. When heraldry developed in the Middle Ages, not much was known about the biology of the dolphin and it was often depicted as a sort of fish. Traditionally, the stylized dolphins in heraldry still may take after this notion, sometimes showing the dolphin's skin covered with fish scales. Dolphins are present in the coat of arms of Anguilla and the coat of arms of Romania, and the coat of arms of Barbados has a dolphin supporter. A well-known historical example of a dolphin in heraldry was the arms for the former province of the Dauphiné in southern France, from which were derived the arms and the title of the Dauphin of France, the heir to the former throne of France. The title literally means, the Dolphin of France. Dolphin was the name of an aristocratic family in the maritime Republic of Venice, whose most prominent member was the 13th century Doge Giovanni Dolphin. In Hindu mythology, the Ganges River dolphin is associated with Ganga, the deity of the Ganges River. The dolphin is said to be among the creatures which heralded the goddess' descent from the heavens, and her mount, the Makara, is sometimes depicted as a dolphin. The renewed popularity of dolphins in the 1960s resulted in the appearance of many dolphinaria around the world, making dolphins accessible to the public. Criticism and animal welfare laws forced many to close, although hundreds still exist around the world. In the United States, the best known are the SeaWorld marine mammal parks. In the Middle East, the best known are Dolphin Bay at Atlantis, the Palm, and the Dubai Dolphinarium. A number of militaries have employed dolphins for various purposes, from finding mines to rescuing lost or trapped humans. The military use of dolphins drew scrutiny during the Vietnam War, when rumors circulated that the United States Navy was training dolphins to kill Vietnamese divers. The United States Navy denies that at any point dolphins were trained for combat. Dolphins are still being trained by the United States Navy for other tasks as part of the U.S. Navy Marine Mammal Program. The Russian military is believed to have closed its marine mammal program in the early 1990s. In 2000, the press reported that dolphins trained to kill by the Soviet Navy had been sold to Iran. The military is also interested in disguising underwater communications as artificial dolphin clicks. The term dolphin can be used to refer to most species in the family Delphinidae, oceanic dolphins, and the river dolphin families Iniidae, South American river dolphins Pontoporiidae, La Plata dolphin, Lipodidae, Yangtze River dolphin, and Platanistidae, Ganges River dolphin and Indus River dolphin. This term has often been applied in the U.S., mainly in the fishing industry, to all small cetaceans. Dolphins and porpoises are considered to be porpoises, while the fish dorado is called dolphin fish. In common usage, the term whale is used only for the larger cetacean species, while the smaller ones with a beaked or longer nose are considered dolphins. The name dolphin is used casually as a synonym for bottlenose dolphin, the most common and familiar species of dolphin. There are 6 species of dolphins commonly thought of as whales, collectively known as blackfish: the orca, the melon-headed whale, the pygmy killer whale, the false killer whale, and the 2 species of pilot whales, all of which are classified under the family Delphinidae and qualify as dolphins. Although the terms dolphin and porpoise are sometimes used interchangeably, porpoise usually refers to the Phocinidae family, which have a shorter beak and spade-shaped teeth and differ in their behavior. Dolphins are descendants of land-dwelling mammals of the artiodactyl order, even-toed ungulates. They are related to the Indoeus, an extinct chevroton-like ungulate, from which they split approximately 48 million years ago. The primitive cetaceans, or archaeocetes, first took to the sea approximately 49 million years ago and became fully aquatic by 5–10 million years later. Dolphins are known to teach, learn, cooperate, scheme, and grieve. The neocortex of many species is home to elongated spindle neurons that, prior to 2007, were known only in hominids. In humans, these cells are involved in social conduct, emotions, judgment, and theory of mind. Cetacean spindle neurons are found in areas of the brain that are homologous to where they are found in humans, suggesting that they perform a similar function. Dolphins are highly social animals, often living in pods of up to a dozen individuals, though pod sizes and structures vary greatly between species and locations. In places with a high abundance of food, pods can merge temporarily, forming a superpod. Such groupings may exceed 1,000 dolphins. Membership in pods is not rigid, interchange is common. They establish strong social bonds, and will stay with injured or ill members, helping them to breathe by bringing them to the surface if needed. This altruism does not appear to be limited to their own species. The dolphin moko in New Zealand has been observed guiding a female pygmy sperm whale together with her calf out of shallow water where they had stranded several times. They have also been seen protecting swimmers from sharks by swimming circles around the swimmers or charging the sharks to make them go away. Dolphins communicate using a variety of clicks, whistle-like sounds and other vocalizations. Dolphins also use nonverbal communication by means of touch and posturing. Dolphins frequently leap above the water surface, this being done for various reasons. When traveling, jumping can save the dolphin energy as there is less friction while in the air. This type of travel is known as porpoising. Other reasons include orientation, social displays, fighting, non-verbal communication, entertainment and attempting to dislodge parasites.